In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get refund on Dhgate 2025 step by step. First, sign into your Dhgate account using the app or the website, then head straight to My Orders. Open the specific order you want refunded and look at the status. It will typically show as paid, shipped, or delivered. This status determines which refund path you'll use, so take a second to confirm what you're seeing before you proceed. If the order has not shipped yet, this is the simplest route. Open the order and select Request Refund or Cancel Order. Choose the most accurate reasons, such as changed mind, seller hasn't shipped, or payment issue, and submit. When the seller accepts, Dhgate processes the refund automatically. Keep an eye on your messages. If the seller asks a quick question, replying promptly can speed things up. If the item has shipped but you haven't received it, open the order and click Open Dispute. Choose Item Not Received. If available, upload a screenshot of the tracking that shows no movement or a delivery issue. Submit the dispute. Dhgate will hold the seller's payment while this is reviewed. Continue monitoring the tracking and keep all communication within Dhgate so your evidence stays in one place. If you receive the item but there's a problem, go to My Orders and select Open Dispute. Choose the reason that matches your case, such as defective item, not as described, or wrong item. Upload clear photos and short videos that show the issue, including labels or packaging if relevant. Then choose your preferred resolution, a full refund, a partial refund if you want to keep the item at a discount, or return and refund. Make sure your request matches your evidence to avoid delays, and ask the seller to confirm who covers return shipping if a return is required. It's often helpful to message the seller through Dhgate chat. Be polite and specific about what you want. Many sellers approve refunds faster when the request is clear. Do not cancel a dispute until the refund is actually received in your account, because canceling can close your protection. If the seller ignores you or rejects your request without a reasonable solution, go back to the dispute and escalate it to Dhgate. Upload any evidence you have and summarize the timeline clearly. Dhgate usually reviews and decides within about 3 to 7 days. Once approved, your refund goes back to your original payment method, like your credit or debit card or PayPal. PayPal typically processes in about 3 to 5 business days, while cards can take 5 to 15 business days, depending on your bank. Keep checking your order and payment history for updates until the funds are back.